Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot minute since I've uploaded anything. I have put in a full work day today and I came home and I have to get this video out to you guys. So today's video is so highly requested from my clients because so often when I'm doing their color they say, can you do my eyebrows? You really shouldn't use regular hair color on your eyebrows. I know some people do and it works for them, but I don't do it in the salon. I do my own at home. You really should only use hair color that is made for your eyebrows. The type that I got is called Reflecto Oil, and it's a cream hair dye, and I've been using it. As you can see, I'm about halfway through this tube. It will last you forever because you need such a small amount. What I like to do is, this is just a little plastic container. And you don't want to mix too much because you really only have 2 eyebrows to do. So you just take a little bit and squirt it in the bottom, like about that much. And then it's going to give you a really low volume. This is 3% peroxide. I put equal parts of the developer and the brow tint in this, and I'm mixing it really well. Now that I have that all mixed together, I just took an old, this is I think a Wet n Wild concealer brush. It's just something that I just decided one day that this is what I would use because it wasn't really a makeup brush that I was using. So you want to clear everything away and work it the direction of the hair. And try not to get where you wouldn't paint your eyebrows. And I definitely wouldn't do this a night that you're going anywhere because you are gonna stain. Your skin will probably stain a little bit. So if you're going somewhere, this does grab fast, so it isn't like regular hair color. Usually it takes pretty fast. The reason why I like to tint mine is because in the morning, getting ready, not every day I want to put eyebrow pencil on, especially in the summer when you want just a more natural outdoor look. So now I'm going to take it off. So this is just a paper towel because you don't want to just wash it off. You can use a washcloth too if you prefer. As you see, it's going to stain a tiny bit, but that's okay. That's how I do it, and it's really easy to do at home. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box below, and until next time, I will see you all right back here on my channel.